back, you guys. It's Chef Frank back again with the Seared Sea Scallops video. Alright, we're going to jump right on in. I have a half a pound of sea scallops. I am seasoning this here with garlic powder, sea salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. Okay, you're going to need some paper towels and a cutting board. You want to get your cutting board all set up here. You get your sea scallops ready. Okay. And then next, what you're going to be doing is putting your paper towel out on the cutting board and then laying your sea scallops right on top of that. The purpose of doing this is to basically take up all the residual moisture from the sea scallops. This will allow us to get the crust that we need to achieve when searing the sea scallops and develop the flavor. So as you can see right here, I took a paper towel and pressed it against the sea scallops on top. You can see how much moisture that we've taken out of that, and then also damping them and getting to the sides of the sea scallops as well, getting the rest of that residual moisture. And then we're just going to put our sea scallops in a bowl and then start seasoning them with our salt, our fresh cracked black pepper, a lot of fresh cracked black pepper, and some garlic powder. And you're more, you can actually use minced garlic if you like to use that. It's completely up to you, but I think garlic powder works better. And I'm using also a half a teaspoon of olive oil here just to get everything mixed up. Okay, and now I'm just showing you guys a close up of how well seasoned I seasoned the sea scallops themselves and how much pepper I've used. Okay, and I'm just going to put that to the side and chop up some parsley for garnish. And you're also going to need a tablespoon of butter. Alright, I'm using a non-stick pan, and I'm going to put that on about 8, the level 8 on the stove here. We're cooking on high heat here. And then once that has came up to heat, we're going to put our sea scallops right on in there. And they're going to take about a minute per side, okay? And you want to kind of put your sea scallops down clockwise. So the first one that you're going to be flipping is that one at the top, okay? And then once you've seen the color that I've shown you here at the top, then you want to start flipping them, okay? And this is about a minute per side, okay? And then after when we're done flipping them, we can add the butter in there. Okay, the butter's going to take seconds for it to melt. Okay, in that time frame, the butter and the olive oil is going to come together and flavor the sea scallops themselves for the remainder of the minute of cook time. And now we're just plating up the sea scallops. Great flavor development, as you can see, because of the color that we've developed here. They're not burnt at all. They're all it is a great char. And I just bunched them together. I garnished them with the parsley that I cut up. And I added a couple lemon slices over there to the right. Okay. And that's pretty much it. It's a very easy recipe. You definitely have to cook on high heat for this to be successful. You want to have your ingredients prepared and ready ahead of time as well. This dish is all about preparation, okay? And yeah, you can definitely steam some vegetables with it, some pasta, but for this purpose we want to just show you how to make seared scallops on their own. Alright, thanks you guys for watching again. I hope you guys try this recipe out. Stay tuned for the next video. Take it easy.